Friends, welcome back to the channel. So in the last video we learned about the how to install the HANA database. So in the today's video in the same series we are going to see how to uninstall the HANA database. You will get a chance to work on uninstallation or the decommissioning of the HANA database, but it will be in the rare case. But I think we must know each and every pick of the HANA database. So let's start. So in our case we have a system DB, and next one is HD1, that is the tenant database which installed at the time of the implementation. But in some cases you might find that there are other database running on the same HANA system, like the database might be HD1, sorry, the database might be HD2, or name will be SID will be the different. So in that case, if you have to decommission respective database like HD1, so how so that time the question might come that how you can uninstall the respective database only from the system. So in the today's video we are going to learn about the same. So let's start. So first of all we will need the OS level access of the respective system. So we will now log in on the OS level of the HANA database. After logging on the OS of the HANA database, we have to go to the same path which we use for the implementation, or you need to use the same software which you use for the installation of the or the implementation of the HANA database, or the current version of the HANA database. So in our case the version is 2.0 SP2. So now we will go to that respective folder, and then I will show you which file we have to use for the uninstallation of the HANA database. So now we are under the folder, installation folder. Okay, so this is the path of the folder. So now as we saw that while implementation we use HDB LCM. So for the uninstallation of the or the decommissioning of the HANA database, we need to use the file or the tool that is the HDB uninstall. So we need to use the tool that is the HDB uninstall. Just put this dot slash and then the file name and press enter. So now it will provide the name of the different tenant database those are installed on the respective system. So in our case we can see that the SAP HANA database HD1. In your landscape if you have HD2 or HDB or any like other database name, so respectively you have to select this one, this index you have to select. So in our case we have to uninstall the HD1. So I just need to enter the HD1. In our case we have to uninstall the HD1, so we just have to enter the 3. But in our case as we have the single tenant database, so when we will uninstall the HD1 it will automatically uninstall the systemdb as well. So we will see that after the uninstallation of the HANA database how it's removed, means whether it's still exist or it got uninstalled. So I entered the 3, that is for the SAP HANA database HD1. So we can see that it's giving warning that all data volume and log volume will be removed. So as we saw that while doing the implementation we need only mandatory file system, that is the HANA slash data, HANA slash log, HANA slash shared, and USR SAP, that is the local directory. So at the time of the installation, all the subfolders or the subdirectory get automatically installed. The same way, when we do the uninstallation, all the subdirectories will get uninstalled or will get deleted from the that folder. So I'm just confirming, putting yes here. Now we can see that it's showing the uninstalling the SAP HANA database, removing the SAP HANA database instance. So it will take few minutes for doing the uninstallation of the HANA database. Then we will go at the respective directory and we'll see that it will not delete the SID, but it will delete the .dat files from the respective folders and the other subfolders. So now we can see that the database is uninstalled, and if we have to see the more information about the uninstallation, we can refer the file which is under the var slash temp. Under this folder you will get the all the log files related to the uninstallation as well as the installation as well. So now we will go to the respective folder and we will see whether the dat files are still there or it got deleted as warning was received. So we will go to HANA slash data, and then HD1 is still there. So we can see that all the subfolders under the HD1 got deleted because we uninstalled the HANA database. So this is all about the uninstallation procedure of the HANA database or decommissioning of the HANA database. So in case, as I said, if you have the multiple tenant database, you have to select the this index properly while doing the uninstallation. So in our case, we just uninstall the SAP HANA database HD1, and the systemdb also got uninstalled because we don't have other tenant database here. But still the HANA database client and the HANA studio is still there. So this is all about the uninstallation of the HANA database. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get the notification about the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.